Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Dear the venerables, dear the devotees, today is the third day of our intensive meditation practice. Most of the venerables and meditators, we feel they are more effortful, more intensive. So this is very important to develop the mind. So the earlier retreats also we saw many of them, they are more effortful. So there in 2021 first retreat we see more progress, more intensive, so more effortful. So this weather also suitable and period also suitable. So it is more valuable period for us to develop our mind. We have to maintain same effortful practice for next few days. First 2 days, 3 days is the difficult days. Already we just pass. Next few days will be more comfortable period. We have to maintain same effort, same practice. During the Buddha period, so many of the venerables and also devotees, they had been practicing. So among the practice, meditation is the most valuable thing. But beginning, meditation is most difficult thing. Sitting 1 hour, 2 hour, practicing meditation object, not easy thing. But effortful ones, they maintain their practice. When they are maintaining, they get the calmness, comfortableness, brightness, and also deeper concentration. After that, they feel very comfortable. Earlier, sitting 1 hour, very difficult. Later, after concentration, sitting 1 hour, feel like 1-2 minutes. Some brightness, not only the brightness, absorption, concentration, and boundless concentrations. All we can achieve as the concentrations. Vipassana power and the wisdom powers also we can develop more wisdom powers. Later can attain path portions. Until that, we have to maintain this practice. So that in the world, that meditation development people is very less. Reason is difficult. Other meritorious works very easier. So that's why many they engage other meritorious work. Meditation practice lesser, but results is very faster. Meditation practice results is very faster. Other wholesome also have the results, but we can't see fast results. Meditation, if you do this 5 days, 10 days, within 10 days, 12 days, 15 days, you can experience very calm, very comfortable and brightness and deeper meditation results you can experience. So we have to maintain meditation practice until we reach our meditation progress, reach our meditation results. So during the Buddha time, many they had been practicing. Among the devotees, one of the great devotee Anatha Pindika, that he had been building a monastery, very biggest monastery we call Jetavana monastery. Every day he is giving Sangha Dana. 2000 venerables go to his house. His house have the Sangha place for Sangha Dana. So every day they organize Dana. First time organized with the elder daughter, his Mahasubhadra. She had been helping and organizing the Sangha Dana. Then later she attained stream Sotapanna, and later she married and go away. After she go, then second daughter Sumana, she had been helping for this Sangha Dana. She also very skillful and also effortful. The girl also had been doing lot of Sangha Dana. Every day Sangha come, she everything organized very well. So in her young age, Suddenly she got a sickness. Send a message to the father. Father was in outside. Immediately father come because of this daughter's sickness. Asked daughter, are you difficult? Why this thing happened? Then answered the younger brother, I am not difficult. Younger brother answered as a father, answered to the father, younger brother. Then father asked, are you unconscious? Then the daughter says, yes, I am conscious, younger brother. So this way, daughter answered and immediately she died. She passed away. So then on that period, that after someone dead, they don't keep at home much. Within few hours, they take the body to the forest. Sometimes they throw away in the forest. If not, they burn. They are in the forest. Sometimes they are in the cemetery. Anathapindika, he finished all this dead body part, and after that funeral, then go to the Lord Buddha, pay respect, and sit one side in the sad mood. Buddha asked Anathapindika, why you are in this very sad mood? Buddha, no. Actually, Buddha, no. But Buddha wanted to show that. And Buddha needs some of the answer from the Anathapindika. That's why asking, why you are so sad? Oh Bhante, my daughter, she dies, one thing I am very sad. Another one is she was not conscious when she was dying. What she had been talking when she was dying? Oh, that she talked me as a younger brother. I am her father. But she talked me as a younger brother. Twice she done it. I am worried that she was not conscious and I am worried where she born. So Buddha says, Anathapindika, her talking is correct. That time, no time to explain what is the condition of her mentalities. Show her condition, she talked you as the younger brother, that is correct. You had been doing lot of dana, that you had been fulfilling parami for longer period to become great devotee. Already it happened. And big monastery also you built, it also already completed. And you are doing Sangha dana, lot of dana. And also, now you attain instrument, Sotapan. Your daughter attain higher to you. Another one path portion, Sakadaga. Your daughter is higher to you. You are younger to your daughter. That's why she's talking this way. Then Anathapindika asks, where are daughter born? And explain as Anathapindika born. Now she born in Tusita. She is happy with her merits. Reflecting her merit, she is very happy there. So then Anathapindika's that suffering or sorrow is reducing. Buddha recite one Dhammapada to preach Dhamma talk to the Anathapindika and his followers. Idha nandate pecca nandate kata punyo bhayat nandate punyang me katante nandate bhiyo nandate suggating gatote. Very small Dhammapada come from the Yamaka Vagga. The merit doers, they are happier in this world here, present life, and also happier in future life. Both lives they are happier. So they are seeing their merits. Further, they are further more and more happier. They are seeing their merits. This is the meaning of the verse. So merits can bring our happiness. So among the merits, meditation merits is most powerful merits in the world. If anyone giving Sanghadana or anything, also valuable. So that you can produce big merits. So Sila more powerful than the Sanghadana. 1,000 times, million times is powerful to the Sanghadana. And also meditation practice, million of times the powerful to the Sila also. So say that meditation practice is the most higher one, but difficult. Because other things, easier thing, but meditation is difficult for the beginners. They have to meditate, they have to sit and meditate meditation object continuously. So they have to do a lot of work for meditation, but very fast they can change their mind. Other merits, even they do, they are happier, but when they are doing the meditation practice, they can see their mentality very fast changing within 5 days, 10 days, they can come up to the concentration, they can come up to the brightness, they can come up to the absorption level, they can come up to the deepest meditation results. Some other concentration, vipassana results also they can achieve. So the meditation is the most valuable practice we determine. So during this 14 days continuous practice, last few days we had been doing very well. Next few days also continuous practice we determine. We wish all of you to continue this practice and have the meditation results. So the meditation power we explain, very strongest power in the world. If anyone develop meditation, they can have the concentration and brightness and also many meditation results. Why it is happening? What is the reason? What is the connection with the wholesome object and meditation development? You know, the wholesome object always they have the energy of the unifying the mind, energy of the gathering mind, means the energy of the concentration power. We call ekagata. Concentration energy is always with the wholesome object. And unwholesome object always energy with the distraction power. Distraction power always energetic with the unwholesome mind. If the greed mind, hatred mind, delusion mind, always mind distracted. So if anyone train more and more wholesome mind, mind get concentration. So this is the difference. That's why we encourage for wholesome objects to develop. A small example. You know, if we think in our place or that any of the place have a person, he always go to the place and people make agitation. Go to the place and if they are very peacefully try to do something, he go and agitate people and blaming and telling this one, then all get agitation. Here meditation place come and blaming and make agitation, or any other Dhanasala or any other place go to there and make people agitation, all the time agitation. So this is the nature of the agitation people. And also someone when they go to the meditation hall, very peaceful, make people very peaceful. Go to Dhanasala, make people very peaceful. These are the two functions. Someone go to some place, make people very peaceful. Another one go agitation. Agitation one means it is externally. Internally, if you focus, these two power we have. Internal agitation power, all the object what we are going to do, make agitation with restlessness, mental factor. Two mental factors. One is restlessness, another one is concentration mental factor. Concentration mental factor always try to make your mind peaceful, calm down. Restless mental factor always try to distract your mind. These two functions in the mental. So the restless mental factors always work with the unwholesome object. Greed, hatred, delusion, conceit. Those objects, if your mind there, means restlessness always there with you. If the meditation object or any of the wholesome object there, your mind is unifying or your mind is concentrating power is there. Concentrating power is increasing, concentration increasing with the wholesome object. That's why we encourage, maintain wholesome object. Wholesome object can convert your mentality to the concentration level. Sometimes when you are doing this wholesome object, that we are training, wholesome, little bit calming down, unwholesome object come, some greed or hatred or delusion object come, all this calmness destroy. Why this restless mental factor come and destroy all the background? So do two functions there, restless mental factors making the restless all the time your mind. That the concentration mental factor try to concentrate your mind all the time. So these two functions. So restless one always work with the unwholesome object, concentration power always work with the wholesome object or we call kusala object. So that's why we encourage all the time maintain wholesome object. Morning wake up time maintain wholesome object. and all the time try to maintain wholesome object, so life become more calm, more comfortable, so later brighter, so later deeper concentration you can achieve because of the maintaining wholesome object continuously. So you can see beginning of the meditation program you are many distractive, but when you are maintaining wholesome object again with the meditation object, let all the distractions disappear, you feel very calm, very comfortable. Why this thing happen? Your wholesome power is become better, so your distractive mental factor become weakened because no energy with the unwholesome object, and you are gathering, or that your concentration mental factor become stronger because of the you are giving continuously meditation object. So we meditators, we have to understand these two functions. So when then we maintain more and more wholesome object, definitely you can achieve to the concentration level, and later vipassana levels, and later can go up to the attainment levels. So the mentality's background we understand. Wholesome mentality is very important. Wholesome mentalities always bring up your energy. Sometimes you can maintain one object. It is good. If difficult, at least few meditation objects together you have to maintain. So if anyone capable to do it, their mentality become the more and more comfortable. Beginning you can't do it. So then in meditation we have to do in few steps. So beginning many hindrances, many distractions, many wandering. Because of that, you have to think meditation object only, not thinking other thing. Because no comfortable, you just think meditation object, try to maintain as much as possible. If it is breath, you try to maintain as much as possible. If it is any other meditation, that we focus meditation object only, not focus the hindrances, not focus other things, only meditation object. We are focusing. We cannot avoid the hindrances because too many hindrances, but we maintain. Sometimes later you get the calmness, comfortableness, some of the tranquilities. On that time you can determine to avoid all the evils. So determination together you can maintain. Sometimes later you go to the deeper concentration level, then completely you can stop the defilements. So you have to practice in a few steps. First step, not focus the defilements, just focus the meditation object only until the tranquility comes. So second stage, third stage, we are thinking defilement, we try to subside and practice. On that way, we try to maintain our meditation objects so we can have the deeper level of the concentrations and vipassana abilities. So the Dhamma talk, the Buddha explained, one who practice, that means one who develop wholesome, they are happy in this present life. They go to the celestial life and also more happier. That Sugati, Bhumi is good life, happy life, celestial life. So in the universe got 31 planets, 31 realms we got. Among 31, 27 is the Sugati Bhumi, 27 is the celestials. 4 is the hell bhumis, 4 is suffering, woeful places. You know the woeful places we know, that lower animal life, and also hungry gods life, and also asura life, and also hell, the lowest hell. Hell could contain 136 parts of the hell. All these 4 places we call woeful or suffering place or hell life. It is, if anyone too much greedy, they born in this kind of place. If anyone too much hatred, also they born in this kind of place. If anyone too much delusion, also born in this kind of place. If anyone too much the conceit, also born in this kind of place. If anyone too much wrong views, also born in these kind of places. Evil, all the evil energy they bring to these kind of places, suffering places. If anyone have the good mentalities, train good mentalities, they go to the good places. You know, the human life we have in now, human life, good life. We can meditate, we can happier, we have many good conditions because of this is celestial life, that we Sugati Bhumi, good place to be happy, good place to be that they develop good things. So that human life is valuable life. Higher celestial lives, Deva lives. Also 6 places, Chatum Maharajika, Tavatinsa, Yama, Tusita, Nimmanarati, Paranimita Vasavati. 6 places, 6 planets. Any of the place can born with the wholesome object. The daughter of the Anathapindika also born in Tusita, 4th place, 4th one. And also Anathapindika also later born in there, and many other devotees in the Buddha time. Also, they born in these celestials. And also during this 2600 years period, many thousand, many million of the devotees, venerables, they practice, some they together with the attainment, some they without attainment, they born in these places. So they are happier, they are rejoice of their merits. Not only that, they see the venerables and others they are practicing, and also they are rejoice, oh they are doing good thing. We can't see them, but million of the sometimes thousand of the devas, million of the devas, they come and listen Dhamma, they can come and meditate with together us, they come and join with us some of the wholesome works, because they like wholesome. Because of the wholesome power, they born on those places, and they like further develop more and more wholesome. So this place called celestials. Brahma lives also called celestial life. Brahma material, 16 materials, and non-material, that boundless for boundless. So those material, among 16 material, 11 is general, 5 is only Anagami. So that the first jhana 3 levels, Brahma Parisajya, Brahma Purohita, Mahabrahma. Brahma Parisajya is anyone trained concentration, first jhana up to the general level, basic level. They can born, if we maintain concentration, they can born in Brahma Parisajya. If anyone trained concentration into the medium level, little bit better level, they can go born in the Brahma Purohita. If anyone trained Pajjhana to the deepest level, Mahabrahma. So this way, second jhana also 3 level, third jhana also 3 level. Parittabha, Apamanabha, Abhasara, second jhana. Parittasubha, Apamanasubha, Subhakinna, third jhana. Vehapala is the fourth jhana. Asanya also fourth jhana, that blaming the mind, rejecting the mind, have the fourth jhana. This 11 Brahma states is general. So the other 5 Brahma states after Anagami. Avhiya, Atappa, Sudasa, Sudasi, Akanita. These 5 after Anagami. Arupa, that is a boundless concentration. Together if anyone die, they born in the boundless place. Akasananchayatana, Vinyananchayatana, Akinchanyayatana, Nevasanya, Nasanyayatana. Those are for then altogether 27, that the Sugati Bhumi is 27 celestials. If anyone born on those places, they can be happy in their life. Now now you are difficult with the meditation practice. Later you can have the dhyana concentration. You are very comfortable. Same way, we go to the Brahma state also very comfortable. Anytime can enter the concentration. If you have the Arupa Jhana, also further more comfortable. Same way, Arupa Jhana, Arupa place also comfortable with your concentration. All those places we call Sugati Bhumis. We can born on those places with the Dhamma developments. So the Brahma states, all the 20 Brahma states, we can go with the Jhana concentrations. So that our expectation not born in those places. But in any case, if we not attain path portion in this life, we have to go there. It's one of the places. So the place will decide by a karma. We have to train our practice continuously by focusing attainment path portions. If not attain path portion, place will decide by our karma. So the meditation retreat we saw many, they are more effortful and also more intensive, and also we maintain noble silence. This noble silence maintenance is very important to continue. So we know that Venerable, many of you already have the experience of the deeper concentration, and Venerables or meditators who don't have this concentration will keep determinations, and together with determinations we can achieve some of the concentration and some of the developments. We wish all the Venerables to continue this practice, keep this noble silence continuously, and wish all of you fulfill all the practice and attain all the path, portions and nibbana. Thiruvan Saranai. We share the merits. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Idang o nyate nang o tu sukhita ontu nyatayo. Idang o nyate nang o tu sukhita ontu nyatayo. Idang o nyate nang o tu sukhita ontu nyatayo. Ettavata ca amme sampatam punya sampadam. Sabbe deva anumodantu sabba sampatti siddhya. Sabbe bhuta anumodantu sabba sampatti siddhya. Sabbe sattha anumodantu sabba sampatti siddhya. Akasattha ca bhummatta deva naga mahiddhika. Punyantang anumoditva cirang rakkantu sambuddha sasanam. Cirang rakkantu sambuddha desanam. Cirang rakkantu sambuddha savakam. Cirang rakkantu mamparante. Asmeng vihare carame adivatta ca devata. Anumoditva imam punyang rakkantu jina sasanam. Sabbe sattha ca majjata ita ca ita ca me. Anumoditva imam punyam gojjantu amatam padam. Imina punya kammena mame bala samagamum. Satam samagamo tu yava nibbana pattaya. Imina punya kammena mame bala samagamum. Satam samagamo tu yava nibbana pattaya. Imina punya kammena mame bala samagamum. Satam samagamo tu yava nibbana pattaya. Imaya dhammanu dhamma patipattaya buddham pujemi. Imaya dhammanu dhamma patipattaya dhammam pujemi. Imaya dhammanu dhamma patipattaya sangham pujemi. Addha imaya patipattaya jati jara maranam ma parimucchissami. Kayena vaca cittena pamadena maya katam. Acchayam kamame bante bhure panya tathagata. Kayena vaca cittena pamadena maya katam. Acchayam kamame dhamma sandittika kalika. Kayena vaca cittena pamadena maya katam. Acchayam kamame sangha punyakketta anuttara. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.